It's a wireless mini keyboard and touchpad combo. It has also come with an RF dongle which connects this keyboard to the PC. But, don't think this is a USB Bluetooth dongle. It only works with this keyboard. And this keyboard has static RGB lighting which can be controlled by function key. It's a cheap Chines product, but works fine with all devices. Beside of that, I'm going to take a look what's inside this mini wireless keyboard. It has two main parts, the rubber keypad and the main board. On the top side of the main board, switch and touch pads are placed. Bottom side of the main board looks pretty much empty. It has a single controller chip which controls the RF radio and keys.